Hey traders and traderettes, this is Greg McLeod from the Forex Cash Machine, and I am broadcasting to you live from beautiful sunny California. And we just clicked out some trades here in a dollar Swift. A whole bunch of them actually, about 15 trades. Took a couple of days for them to close, but the total was $116,810.44. So not a bad haul, and that's all. We have one loser. We had 15 trades, one loser. I'm trying to find where that one loser is. Do we have a loser? I thought we had a loser, but hey, guess not. I know I can flip it around like that. No, yeah, big winners, winner. And we mostly took a bunch of them on the dollar Swiss. This took lots of trades here on the dollar Swiss, and we took some on the backside here on the dollar Swiss. Anyway, if you want to find out more, if you want to learn how to do this, I will be teaching this for a limited time for a small group of people, and I'll be probably done for the 2019. So check your email box or check what's going on to see what scholarships are available. It's not cheap, but it could change your life if you learn how to do it properly. I've been a 23-year trading veteran, traded for FXCM, Forex Capital Markets, currency analyst, worked at a major bank, and so I have a lot of experience I would like to put to work for you. So click the link below. See you later. Cheers. Bye. Peace and pips.